Calicut, India! Sorry. So lahat to ay bisita nito. Ano guys? Ba't dito tayo? Alright. Sit there. Pagkain sa kasal. So, tikman natin isa-isa. So, ito is banana chips. Ano yan? Ano yan? Mamang na matamis. Para sa palo. Balitang nuts. Ito yung nuts. So, nakakain naman. Okay naman. Sweets daw to. Ito sago. Sago daw yan. Just small only. Can I have? Oh, bibigyan ka nga. Can I have two? Sa akin, tatakpan natin ng ganyan. Then okay na, alis na kami. See you. Hi guys, kagigising lang namin, nag-aayos lang kami ulit, pupunta ulit kami sa kasal. So hindi pa tapos ang event, nag-aayos lang kami sandali, natulog kasi wala pa kaming tulog. Tapos pupunta ulit kami sa venue, sa side ng groom. So ito pa rin kami. Dito pa rin kami sa resort. Ito guys yung resort. So itong India. So ito ang lake. Ano lang bridge. Ito guys. Very peaceful yung place. Let's go. Let's go. Nandito po kami sa bahay ng groom. So ito yung bahay nila.
Here we want to walk.
Ah,
and this is your car.
Yeah, it's my front car. My car is another one. Like that one.
Kahit wala. Kahit hindi.
Sige, ano na naman yan. May resibo na naman yan.
Here also, sir.
Papakita yung bahay.
They have very good houses there, no? That's why all Indian are very rich. Yung pag ganyan, bubugbugin na tayo niyan sa Pinas. Ito mo, naiintindihan natin ito. So we will go here? Ay, come on. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Gagawin dyan, what you will do?
Hindi naman walang ganun.
Pero pwede inumin yan. Can we drink?
We can
now?
drink this.
Ah, okay.
Okay, drink.
This is the house of...
My sister.
Why too much money? Indian. Your houses are so big.
Girls money.
Ano siya?
Tapos dahil.
This is,
Nag-iisa nga lang siya. Ano.
May awards.
Yes.
this is his all awards.
Awards.
Oh. 4. Nice. Sports, no?
Ay, volleyball player.
And your son is a dancer. Eh, bakit may ganito dito?
Kasi syempre dahil
Wash the hands
Yes,
already.
yes.
Do you have any still calendar? We need calendar.
This is our kitchen.
Oh.
actually makita. So, couples yun. This is new house?
Yes, that's why I don't know all this.
Extension.
So they will
So
live here.
this is where they will live, the newly couple. The newly
Ay, pa-house tour. Nag-house tour din ba sila? So, yung house tour din nila? Ay, wow. So, this is like a mini bar. So, let's drink. Pinakaya. So, this is our dinner.
Come on, yeah.
Sa dinner po namin. Oo, minudo yan. Ni-research pa nila yan.
അല്ല അതൊക്കെ കൊണ്ടുപോയി ഏകദേശം മുമ്പോട്ട്
This with rice. Ah, tara. Rice. Ano to? What is that? Prawns? Ah, what is this? Vegetable? Sige.
spicy
Guys, magbubukod shake daw kami.
So we just finished an evening snack.
Katatapos lang namin ang evening snack. Nakagaya ako ng ano. Kakatapos lang namin ang evening snack with the groom resident. Now we will buy some bukod. Day 2 of our India tour. So, ito si Harry, naliligo sa swimming pool.
Naka-prepare na ako kanina.
Yeah, this Lisa. Si Anil, binabantayan kami.
Anil is now our good.
Yeah.
Forever talaga din.
Taking care of us. He makes sure that we are all okay here.
Even buying snacks for
Papiola Pascual daw pagkahaon.
Oo.
1, 2, 3.
Ang pangit! Secure. Tara na ba?
Yung pwede kong panglima sa listahan.
Oh. What do you call this lake?
ഇതെന്താ വെച്ചാ പറയാം ഏരിയ ഈ സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേര് കുനിയക്കടവ്
Ha?
ഉള്ളൂർ കടവ്
Ulur Kara Lake.
കടവ്
Or Ulur Kara Lake.
ഏരിയ
Dito na tayo. May flight pa kami, brad.
Ito yung magandang...
Ito, magsagwan daw tayo.
May ano na.
Yung lalanguyin na natin mula doon.
Nakakaba. Woo, scary.
Nakakasama kami ng gasolina sa papaya. So nagsasagwa na po kasi wala kami ng gas. Row your boat.
ഈ ബോട്ടൊന്ന് മാറണം അതും കൂടെ എടുക്കണം വിചാരിച്ചു എടുക്കാൻ എടുത്ത് പോരാ
Ginagamit sa bahay.
Hindi. Pwede.
pero magdahal lang
Pero
Oy, walang ganon ulit. Dapat
Hindi.
Ulit mo na. Ano?
Ano to? Ang daya agad.
Anong sagot? Anong sagot?
Hirap yan. Ano yan? Hindi
Tanggalin
yan.
mo yan.
Alam yan. Hindi ko alam yan eh. Ano ba yun?
Hindi, hindi.
Ginagamit sa office. Social. Yung everyday na gamit.
pwede kung mayaman ka.
Pwede. Kung nipo baby ka, kung contractor ka.
Sasakyan.
Hindi.
Time's up.
Time's up,
Anong
talo
sagot?
ka. Louis Vuitton.
Ano ito pa to? Ubus na yung oras.
Wala na.
Anong sagot?
Gamit ng bata. Pwede din.
Gamit sa kusina.
Hindi.
Gamit sa sala.
Hindi.
May gas na kami.
Thank you!
Hi guys, balis na kami sa resort.
No.
Guys, naman ng kotse. Calicut Seaside. Ito po ang Calicut Sea. This is downtown area of Calicut.
This is the main bus station entrance.
Huh?
You see? Bus
Ah,
station
this is the
entrance,
bus
yeah,
station.
This is the entrance.
So ito ang highlight mo. Luwang ng phone yan. Shopping again here in Bata. So nag-shopping guys. So ito po kami.
Walang email.
Pauwi na kami.